Number 10.
The advantages of PEX plumbing systems are many. Fewer 90-degree elbows, quicker installation, and perhaps the greatest advantage, they are all less costly. Today, PEX systems are being used more commonly in residential homes, cottages, campers, and some commercial applications. It's safe to say that PEX is here to stay. For most DIY homeowners, PEX can be easily repaired or installed, but the right tools are needed. Superior Tool has the answer in a small, inexpensive tool. Introducing the PEX Pocket Crimper, the convenient, cost-effective tool that makes PEX work quick and easy. The PEX Pocket Crimper is designed to accommodate 3/8 inch, ½ and 3/4 inch standard copper PEX rings to meet ASTM F1807 specification. Making a crimp is easy. Simply slide a ring over the PEX tubing and insert your fitting. With the copper ring positioned over the barbs on the fitting, center the two halves of the pocket crimper over the ring. With your standard 10-inch locking pliers, squeeze the tool closed in 4 or 5 stages. When the crimp is properly done, a piece of paper cannot be slipped between the jaws at the closest point. Now, test the crimp with the go, no-go gauge. The go gauge should slide onto the fitting with ease. The no-go gauge must not slide over the fitting. If it does, the tubing must be recut and the joint made once again. Made in the USA of solid hardened alloy steel and backed with a lifetime guarantee, the PEX Pocket Crimper never needs adjustments. Its compact design will let you crimp in tight spaces like under the sink or behind walls. It will even work well with common 2-inch manifolds. The PEX Pocket Crimper comes with a convenient pouch for storage. It's pocket-sized so you can store it in your toolbox or right in your back pocket. The superior tool, PEX Pocket Crimper. The quick, easy, and cost-effective way to get the job done.
Number 9.
You know what I'm going to do today? I'm going to cut the main water pipe to my house with this saw, and then I'm going to fix it with fiber fix. Yeah, that's crazy. Good as new. Fiber fix. That's what's up.
Number 8.
Are you having trouble clearing a clog with a standard toilet plunger? Do you have a low flow or high efficiency toilet? Introducing the new Cobra Plunge It Plunger, designed to tackle tough clogs in high efficiency, low flow, and standard toilets. Toilets are categorized by the amount of water they consume with each flush. Under water conservation standards, 1.6 gallons per flush or less is considered a low-flow toilet, while 1.28 gallons or less per flush is considered a high-efficiency toilet. And if you have an older fixture made before 1994, it could use as much as 3.5 gallons per flush, or more. Low-flow and high-efficiency toilets are good for the environment, but they don't always get the job done, and you may be faced with a clog. This is when you need Plunge It, a professional strength plunger, to solve the problem. What makes this plunger different from other plungers on the market? The steps to operate Plunge It are common to any plunger, but the unique design and pliability of this force cup makes this plunger effective in clearing clogs. The flange can be positioned over multiple styles of trapways, creating a better seal to give you more leverage and power over the clog. The Plunge It plunger is made of non-marking durable rubber, so it will not damage your toilet during use. And best of all, it has a durable, non-absorbent white handle that stores attractively in your bathroom. So if you're having problems clearing clogs with your standard plunger, grab a Plunge It plunger with professional strength performance and durability. You can find Plunge It along with other Cobra products at your local home improvement store.
Number 7.
Superior Tool is all about showing simpler ways to handle home repairs, what works, and how to get stuff done. Superior Tool has introduced a new product which helps you remove broken threads. If you are tightening, loosening, or installing a new shower arm, and that arm with the thin wall construction breaks off, leaving thread inside the coupling, The question you're searching is, how do I remove that thread so I can reinstall my shower? Well, with this new tool from Superior, you take it and put it inside the thread behind the wall in the water coupling. Give it a light tap just so you set the teeth. And then with a wrench, just back the thread out in a counterclockwise motion. It's as simple as that. And you can see the thread is removed and you're ready to install your new shower arm and shower head. It really is that easy with Superior Tool Shower Arm Thread Remover.
Number 6.
Looking for a flapper that will last in your toilet? Introducing the Ultra 2X flapper from Corky. Proudly backed by a 10-year warranty, this longest lasting flapper is built to hold up in the harshest of environments. Designed to fit all toilet tank ages and sizes, the Ultra 2X flapper is adjustable to maximize your toilet's performance. Trust the inventor of the original toilet flapper. Choose Corky.
Number 5. Number 4. Number 3.
ProLock, a revolutionary twist-to-lock system brought to you by SharkBite, the leader in push-to-connect plumbing systems. ProLock is a versatile and innovative plumbing system engineered specifically for use with SharkBite PERT and PEX pipe. Its intuitive design makes for one of the simplest and most dependable fittings on the market. No tools are required to make up a connection, so if you've got pipe cutters, you're ready to get the job done with ProLock. With a 25-year warranty, full code compliance, and the patented twist-to-lock feature, you will never second-guess a connection. ProLock's rotating cover makes an audible click when the indicator arrows align, giving you a secondary level of security and confidence in the connection. Unlike other plumbing fittings, ProLock can be rotated after connections are made to allow for the perfect alignment, stub outs, and stop valves. And if you ever need to adjust a fitting, simply twist the locking cover, press the collet with 2 fingers, and remove the pipe. Not only is it simple, but it's strong. ProLock's range of products are constructed with state-of-the-art polymer materials and an advanced gripping mechanism that utilizes high-quality stainless steel teeth for the strongest connections. Cut, push, twist, and lock. It's that simple. This is toughness you can trust. ProLock.
Number 2. Number 1.